All right, yo, starts 51:50. The time is, or the date is, what is this, 5/13/26, and the time is 14:32. Earlier, we were on here and we were in a trade, and I got it on the hour right now, on the 1 hour. So let's see. You can see we pushed up through my levels. So you also, by my little indicators, you can see here, I got three trades. Boom, 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 boom. Maybe four. I might have did four. I'm not sure. Let's get down to the 15 minute. That volume profile got blown out. Boom. So today, what do we do? We have 9 o'clock. Got one trade right there. We sold to 29,200. Sold to 29,100. 29,200. We sold to. Then we started coming up. What is this thing doing? Anyway, so we sold, and then we went long again. Boom, target hit. I had to take a couple losses too because we was down. I think 400. Well, I cut some shorts and stuff because it wasn't working. But we're going off of PPI numbers, and PPI, the market pulled back a little bit off of that pre-market, and then just like always. Well, I won't say just like always, but it didn't care. You know what I'm saying? We got some triple towers right here. Boom, 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 boom. Because this was at 11:45. We chopped along right here, just on the 15 minute, and then bam, took off. Boom, hit our target. I put in long range. I figured, well, okay, I'm gonna shoot for the stars. I put in first initially. I think I did 29,444. Then I was like, I might not make it there. Let me just 29,400. And I did 29,400. What did I do? 29,440. 29,440. So I brought it down 4 points. Trying not to be too greedy. And look what we did. Bam. Hit it and kept on going with it. Bam. So we're now at 29,538. 29,538. So where we at on the day? 1,400. Sorry. 1,400 on the day. Let's go. When I went to sleep, I had 500, 400, made 900. Let's look at this activity right quick. Just today. Today's trades. Today's trades 1,300. We have, how many trades do we have today? Quite a few because we were in and out early this morning. So popped off the first one, 288, and that was a long. We were at 20. Well, yeah, 29,242. So that could have worked. We kept, but we closed that because it was like, oh, the PPI numbers, the market was shaky on that, so we cut that loss because it was coming down. So we got 288 on that one, and we come on up, and then we did a short right quick, got $8 on there, seven around that one. Then came back in, we went long again, and on that we got $34. Then we went long again, and then we got $54. This is at 9:04. This is all pre-market. Then we went long again, and that we had to take a L. So we lost $88. So basically, erased those two trades. Then I went long again, took another L. No, went short. That right there was going the wrong way. So then I reversed it. And you can see when you reverse it, you buy four basically. As you get rid of the two you had, and then you go back in with another one. Took $100 L on that. And that was at 9:40 because the market opened up and the market started going down. I mean, started going up. So now, sold that one for 156. So negated that. All right, 156. Then I bought two more. That right there took another L because the market continued going down. And so I cut that. Well, I didn't really, that's not really cutting a loss, that's taking a loss because that wiped out all the gains that I had already for the day. So starting off kind of shaky. That was at 946. Then I bought two, went long, and then that came back. That pop, that was at what time was that? That was at 949, and then at 954, which is what's that? 6 minutes later, 5 minutes later, boom, had 400. So we reclaimed all that. So we back up again. We're at 419, 419. So then we sit for a little bit. At 955, we go back in. We buy two, and then at 955 we buy two, and what was that? 955, 959 we bought two, and then we kept that until 1224, and that's the move that we made up. So we sat in that. I went to sleep really. So 9:59 to 12:24. So almost 3 hours, almost. And we made 485 on each one. So that brings us up to net 1360. Total gross was 14, less the fees and stuff. So the gross is 14 minus the fees. So we got 1300 on the day. Let's go. That's why that boy can't stop trading. Those days that I say I'm gonna quit, like yesterday, I think yesterday I was beating myself up. Yeah, I was like later for this because yesterday I had called it about it pulling back, and then I went. The market popped up and faked me out, and I went long, and then I left. 'Cause I had something to do, and then and it just what happened yesterday. The market collapsed, but it did come back, and I ended up getting out of that actually positive too. So you really can't complain. But yeah, that happened, and I didn't like how that was looking. But boom. But today, this is yesterday. Yeah, I didn't get to participate in that, but I wasn't here, so that was could have been some capital made for sure. I was down like 2,000 yesterday, but that came back. That was the first one that was 200 that I cut um, this morning. All right, so overall now we're sitting at 29,532, all time high, yo, an all time high. And look at this volume. See, this is what concerns me. It's not as many buyers in this market. You see what I'm saying? Like that's selling, they was participating in that. But on the way up, it's just like not so heavy. Not so heavy. Like we in blue sky territory now. You know what I'm saying? Blue sky territory. And it's okay, I suppose, as long as we can make some dough. So what's next? We'll see what happens over with the news. But that's from PPI. That's what happened. We had our bad numbers for PPI. So we all know inflation is going to be happening, and the stock market is like, yeah, well, that's how it goes. You know what I'm saying? So we still running, and that's where we at, running. And look at this. Now we're just consolidating, and we could be setting up for another pop up. All I know is that I'm not going to enter any more trades. I'm done for the day. Well, I was done for the day when I went to sleep, but I'm really happy that that worked out and we did get up to that target 29,400. And yeah, that's all I can say, man. Stocks 5150. I just came on just to say that. That's really it. But we are consolidating now and at this range. The volume is not so heavy, so we might pop back down to here. We may. So now I need to change this. So this is the new all-time high. Put that up there. Point of control is here. So I would not be surprised if overnight the Europe session, somehow or another, we just fell back down. That wouldn't surprise me. Yeah, because look, it's a lot of volume right here. Here we go. But not much volume here. And we get here, drop down to this next level. But I'm not gonna short anything. It's 2:43. We'll see what it does for power hour, you know. I'll stick around for that. But I'm not gonna participate. Or I could go over here. Nah, that contract is what gets me in trouble. This September one, and short this joint back down. But no, oil is at 100. Yeah, nah, I'm not gonna mess with that. I already lost a lot of money messing with this forward contract for September. A lot. So I'm just gonna stay focused and stay over here where I'm at. Yeah, I'll just stay on the current contract. This is the anchor VWAP that I mean the anchor volume profile that I got over here. What you looking at on the side? Let's see something. Let's look at it with the values with the volume down. Let's see. Yeah. Get rid of the background. Made it disappear. How did that happen? Hold on. Let me see. So put this on a 5 minute. Oh yeah, I forgot. I might have to get me a new computer, yo. Something a little bit more power. Yeah, you see we curl it over on the 5 minute, but this could be coming down to bounce and retrace up. I don't know, but we're up here, so I'm not buying here at these highs. All right, so we're looking at it now, and we are pulling back down, coming down to the point of control on this anchor VWAP. This is the overall one. That's the largest node. Next, let's see. All right, clean that up a little bit. So yeah, we got those twin towers, and we took off right there. Point of control is here. So we could be coming down into the point of control, pulling back, which that would be 29,509. Almost there. Well, no, 29. 29,472, sorry. 29,472. We could be pulling back there to the PLC. Like right here in this node, it could be a real nice big drop. Boom. We'll do one short real quick. I know I just said I was gonna stay off of this chart, but temptation, you know. This is the September 4 contract, and the move might be complete with 251. It could just be staying right here on this 14. Break through it though and go to the 48. 29,710. See if we can get some on this back down to 2,900. I don't know. I don't think it. I don't know. We could, if we push past this 14 and come down to the 48, we could come down to the bottom of this range right here. 29, 7, 14. Catch 100. We could be bouncing. Let me put an anchor VWAP on here. All right. All right. So see if we push and break down below this PLC. So we're at the PLC right now. So if we push down and push past the PLC, got it on the 1 hour, can see it a little bit better. Not so noisy, not so busy. We push down past the PLC, then we could get fall down through that gap and hit, what is that, 29, 29,600. But it was a lot of buyers right there. So maybe 29,700 might be more logical. 29,700. All right. Got our order of 29,700. Let's see. See, we haven't broken past that PLC yet right here, but we have some sellers here. Kind of balanced out right there. So if we break through there, that's what I need. This is to break through the PLC, get to the next node. Let's just change this up to 740. 230 points. Let's do 744. Don't be too greedy. See what's gonna happen. We have 4 minutes to power hour starts. 4 minutes before power hour. All right, target hit. So we right here at the beginning of power hour, and we got that little quick grab. So we gotta take this off. What do you mean the order can't be canceled? Hmm. That one I was down 10,000. So that was just more like a moral victory. All right, let's go back. Okay, cool. So we are dropping down 736. So a slight pullback. Nice. That worked out. Boom. Broke through that POC. Hit right there. Nice. Here we might have some buyers, so it might bounce. To look for that. It's happening. It's happening, Jack. 471 up to 491, 445. It's happening. It's happening. So that right there was just a moral victory trade, I won't lie. So back on that. Somebody said I'm 11 for doing it for free. I went through 2000. I think one of the bigger blind spots by this administration is going to be. All right, so we're gonna do another one. You rock out all day, Monday through Friday, starting at 9 got in the open, starting open, and then I rock out. All right, we bounce back up. Remember, $40 a day. They gave me 10K for the year, so I don't need to overtrade. I kind of got it in the hole because I was swinging on this one, so I could just get back to. I mean, matter of fact, let me look and see. We're gonna do some math right quick, y'all. We got 128 days. 128 days left on where's the calculator? Somebody do the math. I'll just do 120. 120 days. 120 days, you do 40. 40 times 120 is what, $4,480? $4,000. So even though I'm in a hole on this, I could just do the $40 a day and still pull back. Won't get all the way out, but like you said, just got 50 right there. Just keep it small and just pop off of that like that. Yeah, that might need to be the play instead of getting greedy over there swinging on that one because that did not work. That just put me in the hole. So if I do that, let's get 40, 50, boom, boom for the next 120. 120 days. They give me 4,800. Who knows? Maybe I get more. But excuse me. I only have 36 days left or 30 days left to trade this. So if I just do that for the next 30 days, That'll give me 1,200. You know what I'm saying? And I'll be making another bid, then I'll be down 8 on that one. And then that'll be the one that I'm trading. And just take it easy, just 40 a day. You know what I'm saying? So I don't need to go crazy. Don't need to go crazy. Let's see what it is. Other traders got going on. Shit, this dude, she's down 1,200 today. See, you never know how it's gonna go, man. This dude trading online. I don't know him. I shouldn't have said his name, but this guy, he's down 1,200, and I'm not. And you never just know. You never know how it's gonna go. All right, so it looks like we're getting us a bounce. Put this on 15 seconds. So we bounced up. Boom. Now we could push up, but I don't know. Push back up to 29.64. There we go. It fell. That didn't work. Glad I didn't do nothing. Oh, look at how that looks on 1,000 second tick. That looks a little clearer. Looks a little steadier. On 144. Yeah, that's a lot. Now I can see more action there. But we're still sitting at the PLC. A little bearish. It's a 1% move today, though. All right, pulling back. Yeah, I'm gonna stay out of that. I got that. I got 58. So just go there, do one, and then come back. That's what we're gonna do. Stick to that strategy. All right. And over here, no need to do nothing. We're green. We're gonna stay green. We're keeping what we got. We're just watching. So I'm not in a trade. We're done for the day. We made our money. Happy about it. We're not even putting a dent in that. No needs, no reason to do anything. This is the point of control. And we're just sitting right there. All right, making a move. Good run back up for the close. Or we can run down. You never really know this stuff. Can Travel 161, what up? So we bounced, we came down, we bounced off this node. Now we could be getting, let's see, the 5 could cross up over. 5 cross the 14, 14, and we push up to the 48. Let's get one. We could make a run up. Might be at the end of that move, but we could catch it up back to the upside for market close. Run back up to that node. Let's at 29,809. 29,809. 20 points. Shoot for 20 points to the upside. If a squeeze gets there, like here, boom. 20 points would be 807. We'll just do 800. Got 5 orders there. 800. That puts us right there at the bottom end of that node right there. Could bounce though. Could, should, would. Hopefully we don't. But get us the target up to say 40 points up. So, 807, yeah. All right, so we bouncing, pulling back. We are in power hour, yo. But we're kind of consolidating over here. Remember, again, this is that September contract I'm trading out, just so I don't mess up what I got on the current contract. Through that one for the day. Yeah, no need in doing nothing over there. Oh yeah, cancel sales. Take this one up for 40 points, 20 points. I'll go 807 right there. From this node to that node. Let's see if we can get it. 40 bucks. Stocks 5150, yo. 14. Here we go. Let's go. Yo, we in power hour, right? Y'all want to hear some stocks 5150 with? Let's see. Some power hour music. Ready? Let's check it out. K Dub 5150.
Stocks 5150.
Stocks
My cousin
5150.
said, cuz, how low can the market go? It go as low as it wants to go, yo. Yo, yo. Watch the chart, money. Follow the star, money. The, the algorithm, compute power. Keep it trade, power out. Yeah, yeah. First I was a chart it when you start. Time frame, not all time frames the same. 1 minute all the way to the 1 year, 1 month, 1 day, or high time frame. Friend, work your way down direction. Trend is your friend. Like a chart, follow the star, money. Let's go. Algorithm, compute power. Deep trade, power out. Yeah, yeah. Types, all right, this basic, so keep up. All right, bearish and bullish, one go down, one go up. All right, color red and green. All right, bearish market down. Bullish market is up. Candlestick break down. All right, body open, close, high, low. All right, upper week, low week. Now you know. All right, white John, white. Follow the smart. I said you want to feel it. Algorithm, you power, trade, power out. Yeah, stocks 5150. Trading is gambling, but so is life. Know what I mean? You take a chance on romance every day you wake up, you roll the dice. So you will lose money and make some along the way. Know what I mean? Play it safe and say 0.5% every day. Know what I mean? 265 days. Know what I mean? Or get paid, get off the coach and trade. Know what I mean? Let's go. Trading is risk. Know what I mean? So is your sex life. Kiss it. Know what I mean? Enough about that business dirty. Know what I mean? It's not dirty. Red trap, bull trap. I mean, stop 50 on 50. Let's get busy. You know what I mean? Watch the chart. Money. Follow the star. Money. Let's get you 150. Algorithm. You bow. People trade. Power out. Yeah. We ain't scared of the charge, though. Get a green now, man. So they come here like, I got green and gold. Keep it real, gold. No, that ain't so. Let's get it, man. So the back, do what you want, do what you like. Do what you like, what you like. Everybody got something they gotta do. Maybe it's gambling, maybe it's not. I don't know. All I know is that I wake up every day. God bless me. Start trade. Peace.
Enhance your membership with the American Express Platinum Card and access over $3,500 in annual value. Get up to $400 in Resi credits, the $300 digital entertainment credit, and the $600 hotel credit. There's nothing like Platinum.
Trying to get this money on the money machine, yo. Let's go. Hey, the money machine just hit, yo. Yep, red or green. The money machine. The money machine. The money machine. Oh, yeah. Money, manage your money. Yo, trust your gut. I know how. Make my money now. Let's go. Make that money, yo.
Say 10K, say 5K, say 1K, invest 5K, pay off that 10K, say 1K. Let's go.
I know the way.
All you have, some invest for the last half, the last laugh. Green, the money machine, make the money machine, make the money machine. Read a book, knowledge inside. Buy low, sell high. Stocks, bonds, ETFs. What's left? Mutual funds, real estate, subscriptions. Money manage your money. Make it less friction. This ain't no story, this is not fiction. It's your life. This is history in the making. And it's all yours for the taking. Stocks 5150, the stock market. You can go and get with it. Stock market, you can go and get with it. Red and green, the money machine, make the money machine, make the money machine. Red, green, the money machine, make the money machine. Money manage the money, make the money machine.
Yeah, so you see how that trade went through. Got that money on that one. Target hit went from node to node. Pretty smart. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. But today's a good day. Gotta say. And we ain't overstay our welcome. We hit 29,807, and that's where we're sitting. Now we're back 29,7. That last trade was 29,807. Now we're sitting at 29,794. So we're pulling back. See how it goes. Stay out right now. Eddie Green, make the money. Yo, check out. I got music. Music 5150. Stocks 5150 got songs. You know what I'm saying? Check out Money Machine at all places where you stream live, where you stream your music. You know, YouTube, Spotify, Apple Play, Apple Music, all that. You know what I'm saying? Why not learn about the stock market while you listen to some music? You know what I'm saying? Learn something.
Money.
All right, so we're pulling back down to this next node. My volume is light. You see how light this volume is. But this is September contract, but still, red and green. Yeah, making the money, yo. Yo, y'all making any money today in the market? Put a dollar sign in the chat. Let's go. Let's go. Making the money, yo. Got 30 minutes, 36 minutes before the market close. We're just gonna sit tight, chill out, rock out. Money green, the money machine. Hey, slow it down. Jane, make that money. Red and green. Pull it back now. Slight pullback, coming back probably to this next node. 775, 782, 750. Let's see what we got over here on this current contract. Looking like getting hungry, yo. Why does this look like it's consolidating? I don't think my chart is updating. We are just consolidating.
Red and green, red and green. Red and green, 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 red and green.
So we cleared off these charts, cleared off the drawings, just so we can look at the price action a little bit, talk about it. So it looks like we're getting us to pop up, but we ain't gonna go into nothing. Still right where we at. All right, so I got a range volume profile on here now. Take this back to 930. So point of control is right here at, I don't need a background. All right. So I do the range and keep it activity. I don't know what they want you to do. One thing about being live on TikTok, those fools will not let you be static. You gotta be interacting. They gotta be doing something, saying something, something, something. Jeez. Let's get this money. Time to get up. So we right here. PLC is at 29,475 or so. Kind of bouncing around there. I'm not gonna do anything. Got 14 on this one, and we got 98 on the other one. No need of messing up nothing. Actually, time to start cooking. All right, so not in any trades at 525. We're bouncing. It looks like. Yeah, we just chopping right along on the PLC. So it's not much going on. So I'm gonna log off, yo. All I can say is this: we made the money today. You know what I'm saying?
Wanna put her up against the wall.
We made money.
Stop.
150. Hey, here we go.
Pigs get slaughtered. Stop being greedy.
You heard what I said.
Stop being greedy. Trade till I'm dead. Yeah, 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 yeah. I ain't never busy to make a trade. Never too busy to get laid. Never busy getting paid. Learn the game, learn the trade. Come to my house, see my spouse. I ain't got no spouse. With the S&P, I'm making that money. N-E-Y. Taking none trades till the day I die.
Bulls run, pigs get slaughtered. Stop being greedy. Yeah. You heard what I said. Stop being greedy. See, look, if I'd have went long, that would have got me. Stop being greedy.
Things that I know. All they know is that they don't know the truth. I make the money cause I trade every day. Get my money and I go and eat every day. Living my life and I do it my way. Please get slaughtered. Stop being greedy. You heard what I said. Stop being greedy. Trade till I'm dead. This is the way that the market rolls. The Nasdaq drops, then the S&P lows. Then I make the money short and I go. Some days I'm up, some days I'm down. I'm gonna see it crash, and I'm looking at it go down. I'm looking at it now. I should stay short. I went long, but damn, I was wrong. Trade every day, trade every day, trade every day. Let's go start filing video for kids getting slaughtered. Stop being greedy. You heard what I said. Stop being greedy. Trade till I'm dead.
Like we in a downtrend. Like we in a downtrend too. See how that is? Boom, lower high, lower high. Try it again, lower high. Here, lower high. So no need doing nothing crazy. Hey, I'm ready to taste the trade. Trade money made.
Time frame, choose the nearest direction. Choose to make money. Time frame, forget the daily chart. Work that 4 hour chart. It's only 15-minute chart. Like a 5-minute chart. Come on, stop. Remember, this is the hard part. All right. Hey, you take the trip. You want it? Trade money, baby. I was in a hey, you want to take the trip? 824, baby. Stop it. You want trade money, baby. Trade money. Let's go. Or you enter know your ends, ring with a stop and loss, right? But not too tight. I don't lose stop and loss, but I lose money it costs. Stocks 5150. I low set high.
Yeah, we just chopping right here, right along the PLC.
If you want to avoid races on the stock market level, there is some all ism. You trade, you get paid, you invest, you get paid. No one can stop you from getting that money. Women are better at making trades. Minimal risk, we still getting paid. Options below, let's go. Data equals time, yo. Hell second the moon versus the $1 move, yo. The fix is the fear index, volatility place. Place your bet, don't hold losers to the stocks. What you want to get, let's go get it. Don't take the price.
Yo, so I'm supposed to be asking my viewers to send me some gifts.
64 tax.
Yeah, y'all. That shit for women, yo. Need your money and know how to make money.
It's a platform. It's like taste your trade. What do you want to do? I don't want to stop.
All right, yo, I'm gonna sign off. Peace.
Wall Street paper chase. Invest be the case. I ain't have friends here to get these ends. Free paper chase. Invest be the case. I ain't have friends here to get these ends. Let's begin. From the start to the end. Figure out how to make it. Do it a little way so you don't end. Up behind bars and freedom ends. If you want that 18 ends to track, or following friends to the end. Get a job for like a change. Wall Street paper chase. Invest me the case. Take the line of the friends. Come here to get these hands. Wall Street paper chase. Invest me the case. Take the line of the friends. Come here to get these hands. No shame in the work game, no shame in the credit game. Open a high yield saving account, gang. Save 10%, invest 10%, gang. Live on 50%, that's 70%, gang. The next 10%, don't they get back, gang. The next 20% is yours. Enjoy your life, enjoy yourself, gang. Wall Street paper chase, invest me the case. I'm here to get these Wall Street paper chase. Invest me the case. Yo, from here, yo, let's go. Buy low, sell high. Stocks 5150. Pick a stock, you know I like. Stocks 5150. Read charts from left to right. Stocks 5150. Charts going down to the right, don't buy. That's right. Shots don't lie. Buy low, sell high. Invest low, real estate. And you take a symbol or ride, don't win. Bonds are loans to governments or businesses. Stocks are parts, businesses that you own. Invest in stocks. Real estate and bonds. Crypto, let's go. Bitcoin, ETF, mutual fund, chase. Invest, we can chase it. I ain't every friend. Here to get these ads, Wall Street paper chase. Invest, be the case. Hey, I ain't ever friend. I'm here to get these ads. Come on now. Live your life, stack up your dough, do it the right way. Stop scamming and scheming, stop robbing and all that. Live your life, stack up your bread. Trust me, you're gonna live a lot longer than you think. You're gonna need money when you're old. Let's go. Wall Street paper chain. Invest, be the case. Please. Stand my lane, still do it. I see the pain. I see you brighter day. Yeah. Respect my gangster, respect my name, respect my land, respect where I came. Here to create, here to elevate, here to build, here to not kill. Stay in my lane, stay in the way. I see the pain, see the pain. I see a brighter day. Oh, listen when I sleep, I hear what you say. Even a broken clock is right twice a day. One mouth two is too high, it's low energy, blind out the mind. I don't fall for traps. I saw you coming, no care. Stay in my day. So I'm trying this new match thing. I see the I see a brighter day. I'm gonna go for the boxing. Dang. Cuz what happened to your hand? You step in truth for staying for me my day. Yeah, I just figured this shit out. Trying to anyway. Man, I don't even know how to figure this out. I be trading stocks, right? So I got my screen showing for my stock market. So I don't even know what y'all see on that end. What do you see? So I'm gonna ask you a question. How do you get it where it just show your screen versus you? Right. Yeah, okay, okay. All right. Hey, bro. Hey, I hope your head get better, man. And go ahead and kick me off or whatever, man. Good luck to you. All right. Peace. Yes, sir. You too. All right. Let me see. I gotta figure it out. So I gotta figure out how to do that that multi mastering thing. I just want my screen to show. I don't want to do it. I'm gonna learn that. Once I learn that, then I'll come back. Then I'll trade, and then whatever they got going on, and we'll watch it like that. That's what I'll do. Yeah, I'm gonna figure it out.
Yeah, I'm gonna figure that out. But not today. We'll figure it out another day. You know what I'm saying? Well, we will figure. Let's see. So your hidden camera source will be shown automatically when co-host. All right. So let's see. So settings. Allow that the camera. Share screen. Hey, there it is. I think I figured it out.
Okay.
So we're gonna do that.
A week ago.
Share screen.
And we party every weekend, yo. On the radio. That's my favorite song.
All right. So now let's see. Co-host.
Got no patience. I'm not a doctor. But why is you lying? But why you Mufasa? Yeah, me Sukasa. Gotta strip you like Gaza. That's all.
Now let's see.
You fit that's a life. I thought I messed you from fiber. I thought the head is so hot. Your own feel I got me right. If I got you pay for you, Grant. I'll take that as a compliment. Got a house full of homies. But I feel so the opposite. And confident ain't that half of it. Saturdays for young lavish. The saddest shit is on the
Okay.
page.
So I wanted to share the screen.
Sorry. Was scared of the future. Till 2005. I thought your back we can do this. Hold up. No matter what you say, what you call me. I'm it's something is everybody sad. 2005.
All right, do it again. Let's see. Nope, still showing the camera. Hey, what's up, bro? I ain't trying to waste people time. I'm trying to figure this thing out. I wanted to show my screen instead of my camera. So yeah. All right, so it's not doing that. Settings, camera, share screen, save. Right.
Say 1K, that's 5K, pay up that 10K, say 1K. Let's go. I know it. How you at?
All right, now let's see what's happening. Sharing is not available in quick pairing. Oh, okay. That's why. Cancel that. Let's see. Settings. Yo, what up, yo? Yeah, I'm trading stocks over here. What you got going on? Got the money machine going. I got 15 minutes left before market close. Pushing back. We up today, 1400. Let's go. Money machine. All right, we're getting us a small pullback now. Probably coming down to 520. Like we're bouncing off the 5 EMA. All right, we're dropping out now. Good thing I didn't go long on that one. See, that's why I ain't messing with it right now. Just chilling. Short. Pulling back down to the point of control right here. Got 10 minutes left. All right, so I think I figured out this co-host stuff thing. Can't do it when you do quick invites, but you can invite people. So let's see. Yo, we at the end of power hour. We got 8 minutes left for market close. 8 minutes left before market close. See what Noel she'll set. Let's see. We just trade. These cats are gamers, I believe, though. Yo, what up, bro? Trading stocks over here. Got 7 minutes for the market close. Market dropping. Cairo. Yeah. He disconnected. I don't know what that is. I ain't got no stock traders out there, man. That's why I gotta find me a community, some people trading. If you're trading, hit me up. See what you got. See what your P&L looking like. Well, I don't want to be like that, but let's see. I don't want to just sit there and look at nobody either. All right, yo, we got 6 minutes left before the market closes. Trade the leaders. Use readers. Heat map. Volume profile. Stocks go up to the right. This mug is crashing out, yo. We broke down below PLC. So still stuck in this range. Yeah. Off Girl Cafe. Huh. Definitely want in there. All right, yo, we got on that pullback. If you got in there and got caught, you got wiped out. Market go as low as it wants to go. But what we did today was got some green. Good day. Good day for the week. What is it? A Tuesday? Wednesday. Yeah. So I try to figure out this sharing thing on TikTok also, but figured out how to share my screen, share the scene. I don't want to share my camera. I don't need nobody all in my face. But if anybody out here on TikTok, if y'all what's that word called? Trading. Like if you're trading, share your chart. Let's talk about it. All right, market closed, yo. That's the end. Power hour. The market is closed. And guess what? What we're gonna do now, we're gonna squeeze back up. We're gonna squeeze back up or we're gonna stay down here. We're gonna drop out. We're below the PLC. See what we do, what move we make. See what move we're gonna make. What move are we making? Heading back down. If we stay right here, I mean we're up. So we ain't tripping. Let's go to the fifth. Let's go to the 1 hour and take a look at it. Yeah. So this is where we at. This started at 9. Boom. Popped up, ran up. Made our money today. D Money made 1,500. He traded multiple accounts. Jeez. Yeah, 1,400. So see, I don't feel too left out. I did almost the same thing D Money did. Let's go. But I wasn't even watching him today. So that's what's up. But we're flat right now. So looking at this on the hour, we just been consolidating right here. This looks like a bull flag. So it might be more up. We might get ready to go up here to 30,000. Pull up to 30,000 and then pull back for the fall. For the fall off. But we got time, you know what I'm saying? It's only May. Well, this week right here, what we got? We have any more? I don't know if we got any more big data coming up. Tomorrow is Thursday. Tomorrow we got core retail sales and retail sales at 8:30. So that might matter. It's a red folder. That's what we got to look forward to. Friday we don't have anything, but yeah, got some Fed members speaking tomorrow. And tomorrow is Thursday. We got natural gas numbers coming out. So that's where we at, yo. All right, yo. Stock 5150, man. I'm gonna sign out, yo. Peace. Appreciate everybody on TikTok that came and shared the screen with me and stuff, man. Appreciate that, you know. Chilling with the old man, trying to figure this stuff out. But I'm not gonna share my face though. I'm not doing that. I gotta go to work. I ain't got time for that. I ain't got time for that, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Well, thanks to everybody for stopping by. Peace. We out. Bills run, pigs get slaughtered. Stop being greedy. All right, yo. Stocks 5150. We out, yo. Peace. Signing out of TikTok. Probably do that again in the morning. Like maybe I'll go live to a co-host. Yeah. Stop being greedy. You heard what I said. Stop being greedy. Here's what I did. Yeah, yeah. Oh, bro, you didn't popped on the right one. Then I got you. Let me pause this music in the background. I'm gonna tell you the truth. Hold on. All right, wait 1 second. All right, turn that down. Get right here. I'm gonna show you. I'm all right. So this is what I do every day. Right. I come in right here. I'm gonna just if you can see this, you see. All right. So you see where my mouse at, right? I'm gonna go to the when you first start up, first of the day, right? You go to your daily chart. You go right here, and this, yeah, yep. And so that tells you no on whatever you trading on whatever. So right here. So let me see. Move this. I gotta move this so I can see my screen. All right. So let me think. I'm gonna show you. So this right here is like each one of these candles that you see represents 1 day. Okay. So each candle represents 1 day. Don't worry about the lines and stuff yet. I'll tell you that later. But so each candle represents 1 day. So if we just keep it simple, the way I got the yellow ones are down days. So the days that the market went down. And the green ones, of course, green is going up, right? I do that, the colors just for psychological purposes. Because most people have their candles set up like you can see over here to the left, everything is red and green because that's standard how it is. So red is down, green is up. Nah, no, no, no. First, well, you got money. So first you just need to open up an account, right? So if you just wanted to trade, like and look, they just got rid of the it's this thing called pattern PDT rule. You used to have $25,000 to trade more than 3 times a week, and they just got rid of that. So right now they want you to be trading. You know what I'm saying? So they open it. What they doing is opening the door, giving access to everybody because you know how jobs go. It's just a good way to make money on the side, a hustle. Mm. Yeah, bro. You too. There you go. Green is good. That's all you need to know. You wanted to go up. That's all you need to know. All right, bro. Peace. All right. Well, look at that. Got me one on a live studio thing. Old man making stock market advice out here. They ain't got time. First thing you got to do is open up an account. I should have told him that. I didn't get to that, but it's okay. He'll tap in later. I don't even know who that was because I did the quick invite. So it's all good. But anyway, I'm getting ready to log off though because the market is closed and we are out. Yo, stocks 5150. Peace. Close it. Exit. All right, we out. And let's log off of here. Peace out, YouTube. Peace.